All right, let's dive into Midjourney. Here I've got Midjourney open. You can see its home page here. When you land on this page, there are a couple buttons across the bottom. You'll be either prompted to join the beta or sign up. In my particular case, I've already created an account, and so I'll just sign in. But when you do sign up for the beta, you'll be prompted to connect with Discord. And Discord is another application. If you don't already know what that is or don't already have a Discord server set up, you can download that for free and set up a Discord server, which you could then connect to Midjourney. It helps generate these items. That's the platform that they've chosen. So I'm going to sign in here. We'll sign in, and of course you can see the Discord prompt is brought up, and I'm going to authorize that. And now we have logged in to the platform itself. You can see my username down here and some other bits to explore, and we can scroll through other people's work here. You can see this beautiful work that others have created. Some very fantastic pieces, just really interesting what the platform can create. So first you'll want to do that and begin with setting up your account here, and then you can begin prompting. So it looks like they're adding some functionality to the site itself where you can create in the site rather than just in Discord. So we're going to jump to Discord right now and show how that works. So here is my Discord channel. This is the Midjourney Discord channel where they have all creators, and you can scroll down a variety of these channels to their show and tell pages where there's a variety of things going on. That creators post their work in a constant rate. And you can also scroll down to others where they have little challenges and things of that nature, like the daily theme, where they've announced a daily theme and everyone begins creating things on that particular theme. So that's the Midjourney Discord channel, and there's a ton of things that you can do, view, and get inspiration and support there. Now, my own Midjourney channel, I've already started over here and created a number of items that I was trying out a prompt I saw on the homepage where it said, do Robin Williams in the style of John Allison. I saw that in the swirl of text there, and so I thought that would be interesting to see what its results were. So you can see that, but see some of the professional uses that I've put it to, where I was doing some senior living housing projects and others. And I also do a lot of real estate projects, concepts and designs, so I use that for that particular application. So this is Midjourney on the Discord platform, and you can set up your own text channels. As you can see here, I've got a variety of different channels which we use for different things, like a zoo project. I was asked to help with some zoo kiosks and other things, other personal projects where have things like our D&D and Magic the Gathering stuff, social posts that I create, images for that. So there's a variety of uses, and this is the platform that they've chosen to create art on, and it stores all your art in your particular platform, on your profile, so that you can go back and view it at any time you want, while you can scroll through these channels as well.